So hey guys, welcome to the new video. In this video, we are going to see that how can you use python-dotenv package to manage your environment variables. So firstly go on your browser and check for its documentation with pypy, pypy, python.env. This is the package name and pypy is the website name. We can refer here for documentation. So this is the command for installing Python package. So let's go in our VS Code. Let's open VS Code. So this was the app which we have created in our last video. Now here, just open your terminal and paste the same command here. Now here you have to notice one thing, that we have already .venv here, but that venv is not your env file. Your env file will be this .env. So this is our configuration file and this is our virtual environment where all the dependencies are installed. So this is our virtual environment. This will be our configuration file from which we will load some data here. As you can see that localhost is written like this. Actually this is hard coded. Now we will see that how can you load this from your environment file, env file you can say. Let's move to our documentation. So after installing your Python library, you have to use this command. Copy this and I will tell you what this is actually doing. Let's create a new file and name this as program.py and paste this line here. So what this is actually doing, this is importing load.env from your .env package. Now you have to import your OS, then load env. So let's move to pypy for further documentation. Now what you have to do is load this particular function from .env, that is .env values. Now what you have to do is os dot, here you can see os.getenv, actually this os.getenv API key, but in our env file there is nothing named as API key. So let's create our first variable, API underscore key equal to, in string values, your API key. Let's say as this is the API key, a random mix of alphabets and numerical values. You have to get this API key, just a second, and enclose this in a bracket, then print this for checking that it's working properly or not. Print. Let's run this. It is showing none. Let me check what's the error. Let's see our environment file. Okay, I think I have not saved this file. Let's save this file and now rerun our program. Here you can see our API key now. This is our API key which we have typed there. Now go in our environment variable file, and if we want to return this whole environment variable file in a single click, then what you have to do is just type here print, just a second. Okay, print dot env values and enclose our environment variable file in this dot env. Let's run this. Here you can see our whole environment variable file in the form of ordered dictionary. So that's all for this video. Now let's see you in the next video.